Hey, sushi rice le, puvan na peng kan ti ang chi te le bong sa an kan pola. Chuan hei kamar chapui be sa chi galin ka be. Hei ke ai kan ngei no mo. Chuan hei chu.
I'll pick 2 forks for this.
Oh, okay. I want spoon.
1 spoon?
Yeah.
Okay, 2 spoons.
Hey, shrimp roll. Hey, tuna. Raw tuna. A shin, a hen. Hey,
This, the name, this in Japanese is temaki. Temaki. And hers is with shrimp. Cook shrimp, not raw. Cook shrimp. I want to try. I want to try. Try.
Other one.
Good. Tuna is good raw. Good. Mushroom. I'm very sleeping. You already have milk like.
At the hack of dog. That's a baby.
Japanese food almost never spicy. Ha 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 ha.
I want my beef soup. You want some potato? No?
I want soya.
Soya sauce?
They forget to put soya.
Yeah, to get the bowl.
Oh, I'll put it directly.
Like that? Okay.
Like a boss. Yeah, good. Good. Much better.
With soya? Soya sauce. Oh, sorry.
Because you needed a tiny bit of the salt of the soya. The fish is fresh. Sushi fish.
Sushi.
I want to try your shrimp.
Bông cà chua. Very nice.
You're just trying.
It's nice. I need spoon. Oh, I have spoon.
You have spoon?
Okay. Okay, bye.
You don't want to eat this?
Yeah?
You going to eat ba?
Yeah.
Big mukbang.
Bông thật chung. Nó tới cái tầm nan chán tia. Cả ngày nó vắt lâu năng như chán tí cho tí để cái nó tới túi cái này là khám cọp là cái nào để hiện nó formula kan pe ha. Phải quá cần làm tôi rồi. I want the beef. Also black mushroom. Still some from you.
Here, more.
Oh, I'll take it later.
In the other video, you looked like Amber was more fuzzy than normal. But don't forget the video is cut. She was fuzzy, but not crazy. During the night, she's worse.
Chủ nào cho nó phải về lúc tụi già nọ xóa ra.
She went to sleep during the day and cry during the night and see everything. Kika. She's looking for fish. They did not give.
Kika. Ôi, các bạn cho quý vị thật bạn chưa? Ik ga bij me gaan meten toen ik na. Waar ik ga bij me naar je andere.
I have to go to the barber.
Tomorrow? No, tomorrow we have to work.
Tomorrow I have to work.
When? Next week?
Maybe Monday. In the afternoon. No, cannot be Monday. Barbers are closed on Mondays. Here. You don't work Mondays. Ever. Also, hairdresser for a girl. Mondays they don't work. Unless it's
But they work on Sunday.
No.
No?
No. And they just work on Sunday. Imagine you have like marriage and you want to marry at Sunday or something like that. You can pay her more to make your makeup and make your hair for the event. If not, they don't work. Sunday and Monday.
Thế mà ít ba khi mình giao tập này chuyên giao giờ ít mẹ bữa chuyên mình chỉ được mà mình giao tập này thì chuyên cần chỉ hết rồi này hạt tè lăng nên cái gì thầy về tè lăng nên mình đâu cho mẹ chế đều tè India comment trên cái tạc hàng các mũ bác cái lăng gì thầy vui về tè lăng nè mình đâu rồi mà trong mình làm thân giống đó mình ai nó thân mình là cháu ruột cũng dạ liền hơn lắm mà xe cắm đủ ruột nè cái trang cậu uy đủ trang là bây giờ bằng cái chúng mà cậu uy trang là tao cái trang ngủ ngót cái ấy quy lâu này chưa chắc là tập với thật có cái quy là bằng mà xe mình đâu có mấy cái thì khá nên thì tỷ lần để khá chắc lắm mà hiện lại toàn mình đâu có mấy cái và nó làm háo tỷ lần để khá chắc cái chứ mà mình đâu có mấy cái ấy hơn toàn video xem bằng cái cái đấy rất là số vàng toàn là nếu mình đâu có mấy cái ấy bây giờ mình lâu thì sao
What?
Oh, some people say we always eat Mizo food, not Portuguese food or some Western food.
Oh. This is still not Western food.
No.
One of these days we'll do Portuguese food.
Portuguese food chứ mà tôi tiền như là vắt sáng tiền đó đâu thì cần xem đến thì nắng đâu như vậy cần như tôi xa thì đây nó xa thì chúng mình giao phân tán em phát ra mà sẽ cần xem đến thì nắng đâu như mấy ta bây giờ vắt sáng tiền đó đâu thì chú cái suy thèm được lắm
Can do those crazy Portuguese food, but I think you will don't want to eat.
Mình dâu ai mà theo nên ăn ấy simple rồi có thể mình dâu thì cắn bò theo cái bể cắn đũa cắn đũa là cắn đũa mình dâu chú hay với khát rồi theo nên chili thì ngon cắn ngai này thôi anh đi chú công lại mà thôi anh ơi sao mình dâu có thể sao đúng không thì anh nên ấy bò thì chú tiểu mẹ lại cũng
There's some roll too.
mình dâu bốc cái cắn bò theo thì chú sao đúng không thì theo cái ấy bò thì là bao nhiêu chú ta cho lấy sao đúng không thì cái là ấy bể đầu rồi à rốt cái đũa thì hang chop nhẹ nhẹ thôi không ạ để các để dùng cả bộ cái này mà sẽ với chú cái gì ăn phải vắt lâu không nấu tới đầu về sẽ bốc ra
You have an idea. They can say us on the comment if they prefer to see Portuguese fruit meat or from the sea, like seafood. Yeah,
they like to seafood.
Seafood.
I think they prefer seafood.
Seafood. There's a lot of seafood here. Portugal is one of the biggest consumers of seafood in the world. Portugal and Japan eat a lot of seafood. I can cook the shrimp. With tomato sauce. And can also buy lobster. And the thing you still didn't try.
What?
Barnacle.
The dangerous thing.
That ugly one. Yeah.
So ugly and dangerous.
Dangerous? Not dangerous.
It's so scary.
It's just dangerous for the person that's going to pick it. It's very dangerous. That's why it's the most expensive seafood in the world.
Barnacle.
Barnacle. They're like this big.
Các sợi thằng
I think I can put a picture in the video. It's like this big.
các sợi thằng ăn ra mà chèn cổ chỉ khá tốt này mày chèn cổ thì nóถ้าchèn cổ nàyก็หนังจะบอกสิว่าจากไอ้ช่างแต่พวกอ่างจานินอักโคลข้าวคนตัวแล้วเนี่ยชัวมีใครตัวในตังสิว่าถ้าวันนี้จำตักวันนี้ช่วยต่อถ้าวันมาเสียแล้วช่วยเราตีหนังตักนี่กินอันลิมกันวันตีหนังตาช่างนะครับcái ấy làว่าmà sẽ ấy tội thế là tuy là tia ba cả tàu lúc tôi không
It's very dangerous to get them because they just leave that barnacle on the rocks, on the sea, and have to be on a place where the waves are always crashing, always big wave crashing on that rock. If not, that barnacle will not live. So when the guys go pick them, they have like half an hour opening that the sea don't crash as hard there. So they put ropes on themselves and tie them to the rock and go there and pick them, and they have to scrape them with the knife from the rock. And sometimes they see a lot of them, they start getting and forget about the time, and the wave comes and they can die. A lot of people die getting them.
Chẳng có lòng khâu ăn lùng bằng ăn bệt viếng mà xe lùng bằng ăn bệt rồi nó bị cái này để cho hay túi phone này na sụt nát na lại biết à khăn ăn bệt đúng để cho khách tiếng na túi phone lẩu na cho nên lùng nó dùng chẳng có lòng ăn bệt về lẩu này xuống à cho là hai lúc tục phim của ngay lúc tục cái
And we just eat them the one way. We just put in the water and boil. With nothing else.
just boil.
Just boil. Don't put anything else.
Sung tấp bây giờ đây nữa.
They taste, when you open them, they taste like a little bit like the sea. A little salty.
Smell like sea.
Yeah, smell like the sea and taste like the sea. Not sweet like lobster or shrimp, no. They just taste like a little bit salty and like the sea.
Not like crab?
No. No, it really tastes fresh like the sea. Like the smell of the sea. You know, not... I don't know how to explain. Remember when we went to Lisbon, the smell of the sea is not the same as the smell of the sea here? It smells more like the sea here, like more like seaweed kind of smell. Strong. Yeah.
Wait. I'm getting full.
Me too. I don't know which kind. It also depends. Cannot find every day. Not the same seafood. It depends on what the fisherman gets each day. Always fresh. If it's meat, chicken rice.
No. Chicken rice.
With blood.
No way. No. I like chicken rice, but Chinese style.
You never tried the Portuguese style with blood?
Oh wow.
So tasty. Freaking ugly, but tasty. Enough. No puerto.
ค่ะแล้วจ้ะ
Hmm? Or codfish. Like the other day, raw codfish. With onion.
No.
No. Stinky.
I don't know the smell.
I know. It smells so strong. Salted and fermented codfish. There's also this dish from close by, cow tongue.
Bom lấy cho mình sao bom cần ăn nó sao được. We also eat.
You also eat? Yeah. Cow tongue. Well, they do it cow tongue with red bean, and vegetable together, and they cook it for long hours so it becomes soft. In many European culture, they don't eat the cow tongue, the stomach. Not many culture
We
here.
eat everything.
We also eat everything. We even eat the blood.
From cow?
Yeah.
I don't think we eat the blood. We eat the blood from pig.
The pig, yeah, more common. The pig that we boil the blood and make like a block, and then you cut the block, and some people eat like that, but it's horrible. And after making that the block, like gelatin blood, they use it to make other dishes.
I don't like blood.
I like. It's tasty.
Dracula.
Dracula. Dracula just drink the raw blood, not cool. It was even worse. Dracula.
Enough.
Enough. Bottle tongue. Maybe next time.
Korte thar cái này
We make the video.
cái ba
We can do it.
korte lui. With what?
Let's help them. Let's see what they.
Seafood. Seafood. They want to see seafood.
You want?
I know. That's what my friends say.
Why don't you eat seafood?
Cái korte thar cái này cái ba cái korte lui. I finished. Sure.
Or do you want like seafood rice?
Tapi kedua.
Kadula? Seafood rice?
Oh no, I mean I don't want to.
Oh, no.
Seafood rice. No way, no way. Cầm nấu tê lọc chọc ba, amu lẩu thau ba.
Sorry for the cut.
Alam mo yan, ano to kan di, ano mo yan, ano to ka.
Boxing glove. You just eat. Just eat. Just eat more.
Để cái thằng để rồi rồi á, phải đấy. Phải đấy rồi đấy, ăn mà buồn lắm, tao cái trả lời tôi, nó lan trọng ngay rồi. Không nghe kỹ cái hàng cầu tiệm kỹ cái hàng. Kỹ cả không nghe yêu ông.
Say bye bye to them.
Kika kan samti hi anal vu kan ya lo en ula hi.
Bye
Kan
bye.
samti hi anal vu kan ya. Kika kunge I om. Runtal ma ro. Kikor te thal kani kapa kikor te hui. Dai chia man ya ono te hito. Kikor te thal kani kapa kikor te hui amotra chak be ni. Tin mo le ah.
Bye bye. Oh.
Bye bye u. Bye bye TV.
See you
Bye bye
later.
u.
Oh.
Bye bye u le.